Good morning, student. Myself Manoj Chotia from Raghunath Vidyalaya, Ratangad. We are studying embryology, in which we are studying embryonic development. In embryonic development, yesterday we studied that formation of morula, blastula, and implantation, and then after 3 germinal layer is performed in gastrulation. Now next topic from gastrulation, fat of germinal layer. From gastrulation 3 germinal layer, ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm are formed. Now these 3 germinal layer makes all the organs of human body. So we study today fate of germinal layer. Germinal layer means ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. What is the fate of these germinal layer? So fate of the germinal layer is divided into 8 parts. First week, second week, third week to 6th week, 6th week to 8th week, 9th week to till 12 week, and third to 4 month, 4 month to 6 month, and from 6 month to till birth. As we know, the gastrulation period in human is of 9th month or 270 days. So what are the changes are occur in these 8 conditions that we studied today? So first week, in first week, zygote, which is a 2-celled structure, or we can say fertilization within 24 to 30 hours of ovulation. After ovulation, fertilization will happen in 24 to 30 hours. Then after 2-cell stage, zygote is performed, and this zygote 2-cell zygote is performed in 48 hours, and formation of morula in 3rd day, and in 7 to 8 day blastocyst enter in uterine wall, and within 7 to 8 days implantation complete. Implantation means the morphogenetic movement stops in the uterus, and the trophoblast cells of zygote, or we can say of gastrula, is attached to uterine wall, and uterine covers the whole zygote or egg. So that is called impatience. Now in second week, what conditions or happens in second week? Blastocyst complete enters in the uterine endometrium, formation of embryonic disc and formation of external embryonic membrane are completed. On 14th day, primitive stalk is formed. So important thing in second week is primitive stalk is formed in second week. Now in third week to 6th week, what happened? Endoderm and mesoderm named germinal layer are formed. Endoderm and mesoderm germinal layer are formed in 3rd to 6th week. On 3rd week, our neurulation formation starts in 20 days to 28 days. Heartbeat, first heartbeat is start in 28 days, starts pharyngeal arc is formed, and quantity of amniotic fluid increases around the embryo. Brain develops rapidly, and lungs and kidneys are visible. Lungs and kidneys are visible in 3rd to 6th week. Now 6th to 8th week, external ears starts appearing. External ears start appearing in 6 to 8 week. Development of RBC in liver starts. Formation of diaphragm in 6th week. Formation of breast in 7th week. Below the fingers become visible in 7th week, and process of bone formation is also start up to the end of 8th week. The embryo takes the shape of small human. Now it is called fetus. Heart is completed, developed and beats 167 times minimum in 80% fetus. Right arm become functional, otherwise left arm in 8th week. This is the first evidence of behavior of right or left arm. In 8th week, fetus takes turn also becomes some active, eyelids get developed in 8th week is the end of embryonic period. By this, more than 90% of structure found in adults are developed. Now, 9th to 12th week. 9th to 12th week, sucking of thumb starts. Sucking of thumbs start in 9th week. Movement in hands and legs are possible. Eyelids become closed. Eyelids become closed. Vocal cord in larynx get developed during the time of external structures are developed. By this, identification of boy or girl is possible. Weight increases to 70% in 9th and 10th week. In 11th week, fetus take waving and maximum babies start sucking right thumb. In 10 to 11th week, sign of fingers and nails are completed development by the end of 11th week. Lips and nose also developed in 11th weeks. Now 3rd to 4th month, development of taste buds. Development of taste buds in mouth, or we can say in tongue. Developing of baby or fetus digestive. Glucose taken by intestine and meconium. So you have to write 1 mark question. एक साल ये बोर्ड की परीक्षा में आया है. मेकोनियम क्या है? व्हाट इज मेकोनियम? सो मेकोनियम द fecal matter excreted by the child. Meconium is the fecal matter excreted by the child is called meconium. So यहाँ 1 नंबर का क्वेश्चन बनता है. मेकोनियम क्या है? जो चाइल्ड के द्वारा फर्स्ट fecal मटेरियल एक्सक्रिएट किया जाता है उसको अपन क्या कहते हैं? मेकोनियम. फीमेल fetus moves than male fetus. Development of teeth take place in this period also. The mother can yearly feel the movement of fetus called quickening. So here 1 mark question, another perform quickening. The first movement which is feel by the mother is called quickening. The first movement of fetus feel by mother is called quickening. Now 4 to 6th month. 4 to 6th month, completed development of respiratory ducts and fetus is covered with white liquid called vernix. So what is vernix? Here 1 mark question is performed. Vernix is the membrane or a fluid by which fetus is covered. White auditory organ and internal ear of fetus are completely development and fetus react to high sound intensity. In 6th month, hair starts appearing on head. Different glands start developing in skin. Breathing capacity in lungs also development. From 6th month to till birth, what changes are occurs? In 6th month, fetus starts to open and close their eyelids. At this time, brain develops rapidly and its weight increases. In 7th month, lacrimal glands. In 7th month, lacrimal glands that can secrete lacrils is developed. In 7th month, lacrimal glands are developed. Ability to smelling power development. The fetus starts changing face expression. Brown fats are formed below the skin which helps in temperature regulation after birth. In 8th month, alveoli develops in lungs. Labor pain start in mother from oxytocin secreted by fetal placenta of which birth take places. So these are the fate of germinal layer which we can study in this chapter, and this chapter is completed now. In next chapter we will study menstruation cycle in human being, and then after embryology is complete. Thank you for today's class.